I love the UPROAR programme because not only do we have these large monumental works from the 20th, 21st century canon, we also have completely new works that we will be performing for the first time on this tour. The new pieces in this programme are really, really varied. So we have some that are just a riot of fun and joy and really punchy, charismatic and energetic. We have other pieces that are really fine, they're really intimate and to be heard in a very focused kind of way. And there are other pieces that bring in sounds from outside, so sounds from nature, bird song, the sound of water. At one point in one of the pieces, I not only have to play the piano, but I have to take some little stones and play them as percussion instruments. And so wherever we go in Wales, I'm planning to find some stones local to the place and use them in performance. And that'll give a nice connection, at least for me, to the place I am.